Hello everyone, dear friends. The new year has arrived, which means it's time to break into the new year with new achievements in trading. Last year, our clients earned over $1 million, and we're not stopping there. Let's start the year with a great trading session and make $26,000 today. Let's get started. It would be very symbolic to start the year with this amount, and all we need to do is top up our account and launch the automated bot. Let's select the currency pair, expiration time, and the amounts the automated bot will trade. The bot has launched perfectly, and the first trade of 2026 has been opened. I can't wait to see how the bot completes our first trading session of the new year. If you missed out on starting your trading journey with the automated bot last year, you still have a chance. The automated bot is completely free, and you can get it by simply following the link below. Don't miss your chance. Start trading fully automated. Oh, while we were telling you how to get the bot already closed 2 profitable trades. What a great start. As they say, the new year is how you celebrate it. Start yours with a successful trade. Let's continue watching the bot generate profits for us. The bot caught a minus and immediately returned the loss. Great. At the end, we will also summarize how many successful trades the bot made and how many losing ones, so we can compare them with last year's results. Our balance continues to grow with every trade, and that's incredibly exciting. Let us know in the comments what videos you'd like to see featuring the automated bot in the new year, and we'll definitely implement them. In the meantime, just enjoy trading with us. Oh my god, even though I've been trading with an automated bot for over 2 years, every time I launch it, I can't believe it can analyze the market so professionally. The 96% success rate is telling. If I'm not mistaken, this is already the 7th successful trade in a row. You can see it all for yourself, friends. Just try the automated bot and see for yourself. I was a little hasty in turning off the bot because I thought it had already made the amount we needed, but no matter, let me launch it again so that the bot will definitely make the amount we need. Now, the bot will definitely complete the assigned task, and we can sum up the results. What did I tell you, friends? Is simply unbelievable. The result is already in our balance. Are you still here? Hurry up and click through the description and get your own automated trading bot. Don't miss your chance in the new year. Happy New Year, everyone!